are here in a tricycle in Boracay. Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
Hi, Denise and Kim. Hi, Kuya Mark. Hi, Denise. Hi, Mama.
Happy trip.
Happy trip. This is
Good na si Inday.
we're on our way back, so
Awa
we're
si
in a
Inday ba?
Inday.
Bye-bye sa Inday. Bye-bye.
Oh,
You're trying to say we're an electric tricycle.
yep.
There's 12 people on this thing, and we have a 15-minute ride one way. And even when we go up the hills, it outpowers the gasoline-powered ones, which is shocking to me. But they're smooth and quiet, and they're working well so far.
Okay. Hold tight, people. Like 1, 2, 3. We have like 11 people inside the tricycle.
10 man.
Oh yes,
Driver,
then
too.
with the kids. This is the Boracay Highway. Goodbye, Boracay. We'll see you
11
next
good.
time.
11.
Maybe in 5 years.
After 10 years.
Hey, vlogger. A little vlogger. You want to say something?
Thank you for our major sponsor.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Years I'm going to be walling.
Bye-bye, Inday.
Bye-bye.
You're
Bye-bye.
so cute.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
This is our little vlogger.
Giduka naman ito kasi sunod.
Hello, 1 million viewers. Charot. Just making a 3 minutes video.
Pero, I really, I was amazed because, the garbage.
It's very clean.
A
Yeah.
lot different.
Yeah.
That one house that we went to look at, that there was so much garbage around.
Ah, yeah.
You could just see that the people in the area just don't care. And it was just piled up everywhere. Your
Yeah.
yard is the
But
yard
dong
is
Mark,
full of garbage.
t-shirt sa Boracay dong Mark. Boracay
So
po
it's a
ng
major
t-shirt.
improvement
Ipakita
here.
ito mga t-shirt.
Ha?
Maybe
Boracay
that's
na.
why Duterte shut it down and had everybody clean it up.
Yeah. Sa nanila.
Alright, my husband vlogger. Any final words?
Well, I hope it's not my final words.
You should, you have your own, also pay. Asa na ba ka?
Page.
Website ba nang gigamit?
Yeah, well, it's our tour of the tourist side of Boracay. We haven't even investigated the rest of the island to see what it has to offer.
Next
We
time,
noticed that in Boracay, the island is much more cleaner than other islands, as they had put an effort into clean up and securing the garbage rather than letting it blow around or wash up on shores and things like that. So things are cleaner here. Yeah.
Nabi ito yung mga anak. Di man kita pinanser, mother.
May karbonan rin.
alright. We're here. We're going to the port. And bye-bye, everybody. See ya.
Let's end. Isa.